Alright, I've only got 5 minutes because Windows is fucking awful. I don't want to get into it. So basically all you have to do is go to cygwin.com/install.html, and it gives you this page. You can check to see if you're running 32-bit or 64-bit. It depends, because that'll determine which one you have to install here, which one you click, which one you install, right? You can check that by going to computer and then to system properties. It's a little different for different flavors of Windows, but basically that's the rundown. You go to system, right? Once you can get to system, you can see system type, and it'll say 64-bit or something else, right? So then you click the right one. I've already installed it. There it is right there. So this is the installer. It'll bring up the installer, and you go next. Install from internet. Cygwin. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Install from internet. It'll install in a location. You choose all users or just me, whatever. Depends on your permissions. Package directory doesn't really matter where you put that. Downloads is fine. Just don't delete your packages, I guess, if you don't want to. Direct connection is fine. Pick a mirror. I picked this one because it's an FTP edu. It's pretty direct. It looks good, and so it'll download it really quickly. This is just downloading the installer, and then at this point it says select packages. What you want to do here is search for Clisp. I already did it. If you don't do that, it will give you all this stuff you can work with, and it's a pretty rich development environment actually in Cygwin. It's a rich terminal environment. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it, but we're focusing on Clisp right now. And then once you do that, it's going to be a little different than how I have it viewed here. Here I have it. I've already got the binary. I've already got the source, so it's telling me that I'm uninstalling. But when you do it, it's going to be like binary or source, and you're going to click binary and make sure all of these are clicked. You want all of these: the development, the interpreters, the math, the shells. Click all those. Make sure they're all X boxes, right? X all those boxes, and then click next and go through the rest of the process. It'll install everything. It takes a little while, but it's well worth it because once you get it up and running, cancel. Yes. Once you get it up and running, you'll have your little Clisp like this, and you can do a lot of cool stuff. The first command that we're learning is nil, and nil just returns nil. Nil, 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 nil. Okay, that's the first nice little command we can learn. You can also do addition with the plus sign. We use Polish notation, where the operator comes first and the operands come after. So if you wanted to do -1 and 4, this says the difference of 1 and 4, which is -3. Okay, the difference of 4 and 1, which is +3, right? So and then for addition, similarly, the sum of 4 and 1 is 5, and it's the same way the other way around, of course. And yeah, and nil just returns nothing. That's nothing, 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 right? Okay, I've got 1 more minute. I wanted to talk about, yes, Cygwin, very customizable. You right-click, bring up the menu here, right-click and go to options, and you can change the way it looks, foreground, background, give it some transparency if you like, and mess with the text to make it really readable. I picked a high font here because it works, and yeah, you can change the locale and stuff if you want to, but you probably don't need to do that. Don't really need to mess with any of that. Really just mess with the font, you know, make it so it's readable for you, and yeah, that's it. So before I run out of time on this awful recording studio bullshit I had to install, I hate navigating Windows software. It's just ridiculous. I can't stand it. I'm going to switch back to Linux now. Yes, have fun installing this. Maybe look up some stuff and you can find out more stuff about Clisp on your own. Bye-bye now.